All right guys, welcome back. Today we got some new products to play with. We've got DIY Detail and they've sent me a package. Today we're gonna play with two of them. We've got their rinseless wash. This is a very interesting rinseless wash because of the directions there. Now, my channel, we deal with a lot of rinseless and waterless washing. We deal with all kinds of products, but I love rinseless and waterless washing. So this one, like others, is 1 ounce of product to 1 to 2 gallons of water. All right, so you would take 1 ounce, add it to the water, add your towels in there or your wash mitt, however you want to do it, and that's your rinseless wash. Now also I would add 1 ounce to 1 gallon in a spray bottle, and I would use that as my pre-spray. Fill that with water and do a pre-spray, then do the rinseless. So we all know that method. Today we're going to do something different. This has a foam cannon method. And it actually says add 4 to 5 ounces to your foam gun or cannon and fill with water. Spray the car, then use a wash mitt soaked in the rinseless wash solution. We're gonna use towels, not a wash mitt. I'm not real big on a singular wash mitt. And go about your rinseless wash is basically what I think it says. It doesn't say that exactly, but that's how I'm gonna interpret this. So we're gonna play with it that way in a foam cannon today and in a rinseless bucket. After we've done rinseless washing and the panel is still wet, we're gonna spray some of their ceramic gloss. This is a neat product here. Ceramic gloss, high-tech ceramic detail spray, forms a chemical bond to your paint. High shine, UV protection, slickness, an excellent drying aid that adds protection, slickness, and gloss to your car. So we'll spray that as it's wet after a rinseless wash, and we will dry. We'll see how that goes. Let's get going with this video. So first things first, brand new rinseless wash. Smells good. I don't know what that is, but it has a nice scent to it. We've got about 5 liters of water. I'm gonna add 1 ounce into here. Now I've got a foam cannon over here, and I think I've got it to about 1,000 milliliters. So we'll add 4 ounces of product to it. And we're all set there. Now I've got everything you're gonna need. Some towels. I'm gonna soak my towels, get them ready in the rinseless solution. You will need a drying towel. And we're ready to go. We're gonna hook up our foam cannon to the pressure washer. Let's get foaming, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get on with the DIY Detail products detail. All right guys, so it's been raining, we've got that usual dirty kick up all along the car. It just looks dirty all the way down the sides, and we just need to clean it up. So first things first, we got 4 ounces DIY Detail rinseless wash into my foam cannon with about 1,000 milliliters of water. Let's foam this baby up. We're gonna spray it on. I think I'm gonna try to do half the car. I'm not really sure. Maybe, I guess we'll see. It's really hot today. We'll see if I can spray it all down and how comfortable I feel. Maybe I'll have to re-wet it. I assume this is gonna foam since they have us putting it in a foam gun. Not really sure how I'm gonna go about this, but let's play with it. I'm ready. All right, here we go. We got it all set up. We're gonna spray. It's on full blast here, wide open. I've sprayed it on the car. You can see it running down, so it's sitting on there. It's dripping down the panels. I've sprayed the top here. Now I'm thinking I'm just gonna start Should I start doing a rinseless wash now? Is it gonna dry up? Or should I spray the whole car and get it going? And let me give you a close-up look of what this looks like. All right, so I've sprayed the whole car, basically just wet it. I went along and did it that way. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my rinseless solution here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna do probably half the car. I'll start with the sides, do this side, and as I'm done washing, I'll spray some ceramic gloss on there, and then I'll dry. I'll go around the car like that. So stick with me. We're just trying this out for the first time. It's interesting, little foamy, little sudsy. All right, so we've got our rinseless wash solution here, and I'm using a multiple towel method. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning, wiping down. Now this feels very lubricating, very nice on the towel. Let me get the top up here. I like it. Feels like it's cleaning very well. All right, now I'm gonna flip my towel over. Let's get these parts here. Feels very slick, guys. Like I'm not worried about, like I'm going across two panels here before I get to the bottom. We'll do the bottom last. All right, now I'm gonna flip my towel over. We've got a little bit of dirt here. I'm gonna flip it over, continue on here. Get this back panel. All right, so it seems to have really cleaned nicely. Done this half of the car here. Now what I'm gonna do is get the ceramic gloss spray, and I'm gonna spray some of this. Couple sprays. I'm gonna even spray it on the glass here, on the fender. All right, so we've got that there. All right, I got my ceramic gloss. I've got my towel here I'm gonna dry with, and I'm just gonna hit these areas. Smells good. The ceramic gloss spray smells really good. All right, so really quickly, we've done half this car pretty much. Foamed it up, rinseless washed it, ceramic sprayed it for some topping, and dried it. And I tell you what, the windows look pretty good. I see a little bit of leftover residue I need to clean up there, but it comes off really easy, really nice. Now let's fill this side here. Oh yeah, that feels nice and smooth. It's clean. Awesome. Very, very nice. Let's move on. All right, I'm gonna get a little bit of this clean rinseless solution here in my cup because I've still got these towels. I've got 2 towels and about 4 sides that I can still use. Now I'm gonna soak them up with this clean solution. Put a little bit on all 4 sides there. I'm going to go ahead and continue to rinseless wash the hood. Now I can tell just by adding that how much more liquid it adds to this. It's just awesome. Feels great. I'm going to flip over and I'm going to do the whole front end. All right, everything's washed. We've got our ceramic gloss spray. I'm gonna hit it with a couple sprays here. And we're gonna dry. I mean, you guys see how fast this is drying. Looks good, feels smooth, nice and clean. All right, last but not least is the back. Now everything has dried up, so I've got this towel super wet. The back is the dirtiest. Not a problem. This is an excellent lubrication product here. All right guys, I'm done with the car washing. I've got to do the wheels. I've got some leftover product here. So what I'm gonna do is get an empty spray bottle, fill it up, now I've got my spray here. Obviously, if you're doing this at home, not in a hurry, you're not going to spill it all over. I've got my spray made. This is the same spray I would have made pre-hand for my pre-spray for a rinseless wash if I didn't use the foam cannon. But since I've got this can be a pre-spray quick detailer. I'm going to use it here for the wheels now. All right, so we've got our pre-spray. Let's go ahead and hit these wheels. Never throw product away, guys, just use it. We got a wheel towel we're gonna go ahead and use here. This doesn't touch the paint. Basically, we're doing a waterless wash right here just to clean these up. Now, I keep this car cleaned once a week. It's very fast and easy. Making this video is taking me 15 minutes. I don't know, somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes. So once a week, and your wheels don't get dirty unless you're driving off-road or mud bogging or something. And you can just clean them this way. Of course, I'm not getting inside the barrels, but you can't really see in there right now. All right, guys, it's hot out here. Did you like the video? If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. Today we're talking about the DIY rinseless wash and the ceramic gloss. So first off, the rinseless wash. Fantastic, super lubricating. The smell really comes out. It like comes out when you put it into the rinseless wash and you're washing your car. I mean, you just smell it all over. It's almost like it's not a bubble gum, like a banana bubble gum. I don't know, but it's really, really nice. Lots of slickness on it, cleans very well. We added this to the foam cannon. We put about 4 ounces to about 1,000 milliliters. We sprayed the car, so this is kind of like a hybrid type of wash because it foams on there, it sits and it drips. It's a thin mixture, not super foamy, but it's got some foam to it where it's going to sit and pull down that dirt and debris. We also put an ounce into a gallon of rinseless wash. We did the rinseless wash we did the whole car at one time. It's hot, it's starting to dry on the other side. No problem, no streaks, no residue on the windows, on the glass. The paint looks fantastic. Washed it as we went. After we washed it, as we went back over the panels, we grabbed the ceramic gloss. We sprayed 1 to 2 sprays per panel. Around the whole car, I sprayed the glass with this stuff. And then I came back and I dried it. And boy, it's nice and slick, really shiny. The gloss looks good. I mean, I tell you, I'm a fan. Definitely this rinseless wash. It's unbelievable, guys. Really, really love it. The ceramic gloss, you know, it's a good product. Reminds you of a topper. Nice product. Lots of gloss on there. But this is amazing. So if you get a chance, try this rinseless wash. Fantastic product. Now, as I started drying on the other car, and I'm using my towels, I used Mark the Car Washer's method. Get some of that clean solution, rehydrate your towels like that, and keep going on with your rinseless wash. It keeps the towels and the slickness going on. Any leftover product, fill up some bottles, and this is going to be used on your pre-spray for your next wash. It could be a kind of like a quick detailer, so don't waste the product, especially this rinseless wash. Awesome product. Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you haven't checked out the DIY Detail, they also have a YouTube channel. You can go check them out. Nick and Ivan explaining all kinds of things. Obviously, I did it a different way, but it is listed on the bottle today. But you could just spray with the sprayer. You could do your rinseless wash. You could probably do a waterless wash. Just a phenomenal product, and this smell is amazing. Really like the DIY Detail. Hope you guys liked the video. Let me show you the car. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.